Welcome to another episode on using ADMS, also known as the Aqua Data Management System. In today's episode, I'm going to be taking us through a cluster manager creating a farmer's account. It is very important to note that it's only a cluster manager that can create a farmer's account. A farmer cannot create their own account. If a farmer wants to be onboarded on the ADMS, they have to meet their cluster manager. So, without not much of a delay, let's go into the video. We have a cluster manager's email and password here already, and we're going to be logging in. So now we have arrived at the cluster manager's dashboard, and I'm not going to go through the whole process of what we see now. For now, I'm going to show us how to create a farmer's account as a cluster manager. On the left hand side of the dashboard, we can see four major menus for the cluster manager to have access or to perform functionalities. The one of interest is this farmers, the menu called farmers. So once selected, you can see it's loading. Once selected, you can see a list of farmers under this particular cluster. The cluster manager has the access of viewing the entire farmer list that he has in his cluster. And for him to add a farmer, all he needs to do is select the add farmer button here, input the credentials of that particular farmer. So I'm going to be making creating a farmer's name, and I'm going to be using an email so that I can show us. Can input phone number of the farmer, ensure it's a correct phone number, and you can put the address of the farmer. For example, we're going to use ABCD Drive, and with that, once you've added this, the farmer will get notified. The email that was used to create this farmer is what will be used as a unique identifier in which that farmer will get the credentials that they will need to log into the ADMS. So while this is being created, the particular farmer can be notified to await the email for them to get their login instructions. So now that we have seen the prompt, you see that the farmer has been created successfully, and that is all on creating a farmer.